This spicy naan bread vegan pizza is a perfect dish to make when you don't have a lot of time, and I personally use it when I don't have a lot of time to cook. So this is the particular brand that I use of naan bread, and that is because it is vegan, and a lot of naan breads are not vegan, so you have to check the ingredients, because they use something called ghee, which is dairy and butter. Another reason I use this brand is because that it is nut-free and GMO-free, and it's also suitable for freezing, so if you want to keep it for a long period of time, it's great. And it's quite long, as you can see, because I've put it into a long plate. Then I use sun-dried tomato sauce paste from Sainsbury's, because this too is vegan and I love sun-dried tomatoes in general. The sun-dried tomato paste that I'm using actually has some added sunflower oil in it, so I like to actually drain the sunflower oil out using a sieve, because too much is pretty bad for you. I found the oil in this jar a bit too excessive. I didn't have any spring onions, which I normally like to put on my pizza, and I didn't have any bell peppers, so I kind of made this pizza very simple and easy. So I used this coconut oil alternative jalapeno and chili cheese from Tesco's. It's from their Free From range. It's also gluten free and it's coconut oil based, and you can keep it in the refrigerator. It's milk free as well, and it's suitable for vegans. So that's what it looks like when it is actually grated. So I generously applied the sauce to the pizza base, the naan bread that we're using, and then I sprinkled some cheese on top as well. I realised I didn't have enough cheese, so I grated some more and added some more just to give it a more cheesy flavour. So this is what it looks like when it was done, and I added some green chilies, and then on top of that I sprinkled a few more chilies, and I used red chili peppers as well. And then I just garnished it with a bit of salt and pepper, and that was that. Easy and simple to make. Comment, like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok and Twitter at Bobby's Vegan, and check out my other channels too.